Welcome to today's guide on how to maximize your daily and monthly earnings as a Chowdeck rider using the 2026 incentive system. Your first step is target peak demand hours. You have to target the launch hours, that's around 12 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner time is around 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is when order volume surges, leading to back-to-back delivery assignments and maximum surge pay per trip. Secondly is position yourself near child smart and high volume hubs. You need to position yourself near major restaurant hubs and fast turnaround vendors. Shorter pickup wait times mean faster order turnarounds, letting you complete more deliveries per hour. The next thing is to capitalize on weekend and high demand bonuses. Take full advantage of Sunday bonuses and bad weather incentives. You need to complete your target delivery quotas during these high incentive periods, significantly boost your baseline earnings. The next step is keep your acceptance rates and metrics high. Maintain high customer ratings and low order cancellation. Top rated riders receive priority dispatch for high volume orders and they unlock monthly performance bonuses. Lastly is batch deliveries and plan efficient routes. Your group deliveries along similar routes whenever possible. So you need to minimize idle time and fuel consumption, keeps your operating cost low and net profit high. Thank you for watching. Drive safe and keep earning.